Thank you for watching. Make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to check out my other videos. See you next time.